Okay everyone, welcome back to part 2 of this Audi Q5 quarter panel repair. So if you see in the first video, you'll see how I done most of the heavy pulling, reshaping it and getting it back to where it should be. Now in this video you'll see the kind of finer details of just getting that metal work closer to the filler stage. So let's get started.
Okay, so what I've done here is I took all the paint off, all the area, and what I'll do now is I'm going to spray some black dye coat on and then run over it again, and then that's going to show me where my low spots are. Okay, so there you go. You can see in my lower spots I have a few little holes here that I have to weld up as well. But what we'll do is we'll get all these low spots out. This edge is pushed in here. I'm gonna get that out. There's actually two very faint low spots here. You can't really see it, didn't show up there, but feel it. Concentrate on this area. Get this nice. Here and then onto the rear door. So yeah. That's good. Okay, so I was just telling you there that this body line's kind of lying in a bit here. So what I'm gonna actually do here is I'm gonna use a double-ended spoon. I'm gonna put this block of wood in here on a nice strong part of the car, and then I'm gonna use this spoon to lever that edge out. And when I lever that edge out, what I'll do is I'll tap down this high spot here. And that's to draw that body line out. And that'll save me welding the keys on there and pulling it out quicker. You see it's just laying in right on here. So get that done now.
So just in case anyone doesn't know what tools I'm using here, what I'm using is my dolly and a flip, or some places call it a slapper. So what you do is you find the highest point of your dolly that's in behind the panel, and when you push outwards, you slap down on your flip and it will draw out that panel on the low areas. It's actually a really good technique. Once you get used to it, it's fast and effective. This area, it's tough along the body lines to get above it, and get this angle in. See, I'm trying to get this. Get this in. It's going to apply pressure here, and it's a little bit of a ridge here. It's going to hammer it down. Sleeves are rolled up. To just get this out here. If I can't get it, I'm just going to use the dent puller. See it all coming out? Don't think I'll get here, it's too far down. Okay, like I just said, I'm using the dent puller here just to get them little areas that I couldn't get my dolly or any spoon in behind to draw that low area out. Knock down the tops of a few of these, we'll build up on them. Okay. Now to weld up these holes. Just to show you, just welded up the holes. It's going to grind them down a little bit. Then we'll sand the whole panel and it should be Bondo time. usually do here at this stage is I just buzz over the whole panel with P80 and then P120 just before the filler stage. Okay, so I think that's enough work done with the metal. What I'm going to do is we're going to try in the flare, the fuel pocket, the rear bumper, see how that is, and we'll go from there. Okay, sorry I lied. What we're going to actually do is we're going to tackle this dent in the rear door and try and get it out and continue on with this repair. Okay, so here I had a little problem when I put the rear bumper on. The side of the edge of the quarter panel here wasn't lining up. So what I done is I welded on these keys and I used the pogo stick off the frame rail there, and I just put pressure on it, pulling it out while I hammered down a little crease, and it came out nice, as you'll see here now in the next clip. Okay, so now I've just tried all my panels on. Rear bumper, flare, petrol cap. Want to make sure it's all fitting nice before filler. You see in there in the last image I had a problem here, so just a few keys, pulled it out, hammered a bit of a high edge here, and it walked out. So now it's fitting a lot better. Gap with the flare is okay, door, petrol, fuel pocket. So yeah, looking good. So I think it's the end of the day today. Tomorrow we're gonna start some filler. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'll be doing more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, so here is a few pictures of how far we've come with this repair now, from pulling and getting it to where it is now. Next up we'll be doing the part 3 video, which is the filler stage. I nearly have that edited already, so that should be up this weekend. I'll give you a quick little glimpse of what it's like with the filler here, just to show you, and yeah, that'll be up during the weekend anyway. Hopefully this video's helped you. Like I said, subscribe so you don't miss it when I upload these videos. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a good day. Take it easy.